Tarini, very good. Okay, children, in last class, we learned one lesson, right? What is the name of the lesson? In last class, remember that and kindly text the message. What is the lesson name? पाठ का नाम क्या है? Yes, Vignesh, very good. पाठ का नाम क्या है बच्चों? Yes, मीनाक्षी. चतुर गीदड़, very good. चतुर गीदड़ बोलने से क्या है इंग्लिश मीनिंग? इंग्लिश मीनिंग क्या है? चतुर गीदड़ मीन्स, जल्दी बताइए बच्चों. What happened, children? I'm getting only 2-3 answers. What about the others? Yes, very good. Chatur Gidar means clever jackal. Very good, children. और मगर बोलने से कौन है? मगर means who, children? What is that? मगर. Yes, मगर बोलने से क्या है? Crocodile. Super. और गीदड़, गीदड़ बोलने से कौन है? गीदड़. Yes, I'm getting lot of answers. Super, very good, children. Yes, jackal. Jackal को क्या बोलेंगे? गीदड़. Okay, what is the meaning of गांव? गांव बोलने से क्या है? गांव means what? Village. और नदी, नदी means what? नदी. नदी बोलने से क्या है? न द में बड़ी की मात्रा दी, नदी. यस, रिवर. और जंगल बोलने से क्या है बच्चों? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ जंगल? जंगल. यस, फॉरेस्ट. Okay, very good, children. I'm getting lot of answers. So now we will recap the story. Then after that, ma'am is going to next recap. Okay. So first we will recap that story. I'm going to read the sentence. I want all my kids also repeat after me because I'm going to very slow only. So I will read the slowly. After that, you can also read along with me. Okay. पाठ का नाम क्या है? चतुर गीदड़. Dear children, repeat after me. Don't open your book now. Kindly see here. Look at the screen and repeat after me. च त में बड़ी उ की मात्रा तू, र. च तू र, चतुर. ग में बड़ी की मात्रा गी, द ड, गीदड़. Chatur Gidad. See, in this story, two characters. The one is crocodile and another one is jackal. Crocodile को क्या बोलेंगे? मगर. और jackal को गीदड़. गीदड़. और पाठ का नाम क्या है? चतुर गीदड़. चतुर गीदड़. चतुर means clever. और गीदड़ बोलने से क्या है? jackal. Children, now first I am going to read the letter. Read the sentence. You can repeat after me. Okay. एक, kindly repeat after me, children. एक मगर, एक मगर जंगल के. Kindly see the letter, children. Identify the letter. Kindly see the word one by one and try to read. पास नदी में रहता था एक मगर जंगल के पास नदी में रहता था. Children, shall we repeat one more time? I want all my kids open your mouth and kindly repeat after me. And see the sentence. एक मगर जंगल के पास नदी में रहता था. One crocodile lived in a river near a forest. जंगल के पास. Jungle means See children, see the meaning for this word, this sentence. क्या है first one? एक मगर means only one crocodile. Jungle means forest, jungle. के पास means near, yes, near a forest. नदी means river, नदी means क्या है? river. रहता था means lived. One crocodile lived in a river near a forest. Children, देखिए वर्ड मीनिंग देखेंगे अभी इसका. शब्द देखिए. फर्स्ट वन क्या है? मगर को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? क्रोकोडाइल. मगर. और सेकेंड जंगल कौन है? जंगल मीन्स फॉरेस्ट. जंगल बोलने से क्या है? फॉरेस्ट, जंगल. नेक्स्ट क्या है? पास मीन्स नियर पास. नेक्स्ट नदी बोलने से क्या है? रिवर, नदी. और लास्ट वन रहता था मीन्स lived, रहता था, lived. Yes, first one is मगर. सेकेंड क्या है? जंगल. पास, नदी. लास्ट क्या है? रहता था. Yes. See children, in previous line what we see? One crocodile lived in a river near a forest, right? Then our next one you can see children, read. उस, repeat after me. उस जंगल में एक गीदड़ पानी पीने गया. वह नदी में घुसकर पानी पीने लगा. Shall we repeat one more time children? See the word. Now don't see the image. Look at the word. उस जंगल में एक गीदड़ पानी पीने गया. नदी में घुसकर पानी पीने लगा. What happened? See children, in previous slide one crocodile lived in a near river, right? So one of the jackal, see jackal, you can see the image. ये क्या है? गीदड़. क्या jackal को क्या बोलेंगे? गीदड़. One of the jackal went to drink a water in the forest, in this same forest. Yes children, what happened? He entered to the river and jackal started drinking water. Can you see the second image? The jackal started drinking water. Guskar means he entered. Guskar बोलने से क्या है? Entered, and he entered to the river and jackal started drinking water. Yes, now we can see the meaning for this one. Yes children, repeat after me. First one क्या है? गीदड़. गीदड़ बोलने से क्या है? jackal. गीदड़. सेकेंड पानी न में बड़ी की मात्रा नी. पानी मीन्स वाटर. पानी. नेक्स्ट क्या है? पीने ड्रिंकिंग. पीने. वह. और लास्ट वन क्या है? घुसकर. By entering to the river and jackal started to drinking water. Right children? So entering. So enter को क्या बोलेंगे? घुसकर. घुसकर. By entering घुसकर. घुसकर. Okay, now next देखिए. Okay. चलिए बच्चों नेक्स्ट देखेंगे मगर. मगर मीन्स क्रोकोडाइल. मगर ने उसे देखा और उसकी टांग. टांग मीन्स लेग. टांग. उसकी टांग मीन्स माई लेग. यस. अब उसकी टांग पकड़ ली. Should we read one more time children the same sentence? Repeat after me. मगर ने उसे. मगर ने उसे देखा और उसकी टांग पकड़ ली. What happened? Can you see the image children? See what happened? Crocodile looked at him and he caught his egg. Can you see? उसकी टांग. टांग पकड़ ली. टांग means leg. उसकी टांग means his leg. The crocodile catching the मगर catching गीदड़ पैर पकड़ ली. गीदड़ का किसका पैर पकड़ ली? गीदड़ का पैर. पाँव. टांग. यस. टांग पकड़ ली. टांग मीन्स लेग. और इसका मीनिंग देखेंगे. फर्स्ट वन क्या है? उसे. उसे मीन्स हिस. उसे हिस. नेक्स्ट देखा. देखा मीन्स सॉ. ही सॉ. देखा. सॉ. नेक्स्ट और मीन्स एंड. और टांग. टांग मीन्स लेग. टांग. और लास्ट वन पकड़ा. पकड़ा मीन्स caught. caught. ओके. उसे. नंबर वन उसे देखा और टांग पकड़ा. टांग पकड़ा. नेक्स्ट देखेंगे. कंटिन्यू. लेट्स रीड चिल्ड्रन. गीदड़. जैकल को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? गीदड़. See the image. This is गीदड़. गीदड़ means jackal. गीदड़ हंसने. हंसने लगा. गीदड़ हंसने लगा. वह बोला मामा जी आपने लकड़ी पकड़ी है. लकड़ी पकड़ी है. यह मेरी टांग. यह मेरी टांग नहीं है. यह मेरी टांग नहीं है. यस चिल्ड्रन. सी यहाँ पर फर्स्ट. यहाँ पर देखिए हंसने. हंसने मीन्स लाफिंग. और गीदड़ बोलने से कौन है? जैकल. हंसने मीन्स लाफिंग. Yes, Mama ji. Mama ji means uncle. Uncle ji. Ji is giving respect. Netaji. Yes, we will call, right? Mama ji, Gandhi ji. That Ji is to giving the respect. Ji. That like Mama ji. Mama ji means uncle ji. और अपने टांग. लकड़ी. लकड़ी means wood. लकड़ी बोलने से क्या है? wood. और पकड़ी बोलने से टू कैच. और मेरी टांग. मेरी टांग मीन्स माई लेग. मेरी मीन्स माई. टांग मीन्स लेग. माई लेग. यस. सी in this line what we tells? The jackal started laughing. See in previous slide crocodile looked at him and he caught his leg, right? The jackal, what happened? The gidar is very clever, right children? So what happened? Suddenly he started laughing. The jackal started laughing and he said, Uncle Ji. What he said? He said, Uncle Ji, have catch wood. This is not my leg. This is not jackal's. This is not the jackal's leg. Suddenly he is using his brain. Yes, children, very clever, right? Jackal. Suddenly he was laughing and he was saying to, this is not my leg. This is wood only. Like that he is saying. Can you see the meaning, children? Word meaning. First देखिए हंसने. हंसने means laugh. हंसने. Or second one बोला. बोला means to spoke. बोला. बोला. Next one मामा जी. मामा जी means uncle जी. मामा जी बोलने से कौन है? अंकल जी. और next one जी means that respecting. Respect, giving the respect. अपने. अपने means you. अपने बोलने से कौन है? You. और लकड़ी. लकड़ी means wood. लकड़ी wood. और पकड़ी. पकड़ी means to catch. Caught. Yes. Last one मेरी. मेरी means my. मेरी my. First one क्या है बच्चों? हंसने. बोला. मामा जी. अपने. लकड़ी. पकड़ी. मेरी. लकड़ी. पकड़ी. मेरी. Now last देखिए लास्ट स्लाइड पे क्या हुआ है? दूसरी. Repeat after me. दूसरी. उसने. While reading, kindly see the letter, children. Kindly identify the word. उसने. टांग. दूसरी उसने टांग. दिखाई. दिखाई. मगर ने उसकी टांग छोड़ दी. छोड़ दी. वह. वह पानी से बाहर. पानी से बाहर आ गया. वह. वह जंगल. जंगल से बाहर भाग गया. वह जंगल से बाहर भाग गया. बाहर means out, outside. भाग. भाग means run, to run. Yes. Yes children, can you see this slide? यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? इस जगह पर देखिए दूसरे टांग. दूसरे टांग means what happened? Suddenly the clever jackal clever showed his second leg, because one leg is catching to the mugger, right? So he is showing to the second leg, and crocodile left his leg, because this is not my leg, this is wood only, the jackal is said, right? So what happened? Crocodile left his leg and he came out of the water. Suddenly what happened? The jackal came out of the water and he ran out of the forest. Run out of the forest. See children, how the animal, how the jackal is using his mind very cleverly, right? Very good. Yes, shall we read one more time? See the meaning, children, for this word. Dusri. Dusri means second. Dusri tang. Dusri tang means that second leg. Second leg. Dikhai. Dikhai means showed. Dikhai. Chod di. Chod di means gave up. Yes, he left his leg. Chod di. Bahar. Bahar means outside. Bahar. Bhaga. Bhaga means run. Bhaga. He ran out of the forest. Run. Aa gaya. Aa gaya means came. Aa gaya. Came. cave. Yes, children, see the jackal is how he is using her mind very cleverly. Shall we read one more time, children? This last slide. दूसरी उसने दूसरी उसने टांग दिखाई मगर ने उसकी टांग छोड़ टांग छोड़ दी। वह पानी से बाहर आ गया। वह जंगल से बाहर भाग गया। वह जंगल से बाहर भाग गया। Children, he showed his second leg and crocodile left his head and he came. The jackal is suddenly what happened? He came out of the water. See, you can see the image. The jackal is came out of the water and he ran out of the forest. देखिए बच्चों इस स्टोरी में क्या हुआ। फर्स्ट लाइन पे क्या है? The first slide is one of the crocodile, only one. See how many characters? Only two characters. One is crocodile and another one is jackal. Right? One day what happened? One crocodile lived in a river near the forest. And next what happened? One of the jackal went to drink a water in the forest. And what happened? He entered to the river. The jackal is entered to the river and jackal started to drinking water. He started to drinking water. Now next, what happened? Crocodile. The one crocodile is lived in a river, right? So what happened? Crocodile looked at him and he caught his leg. He caught his leg. Now, and see next, the jackal started laughing. Suddenly he started laughing and he said, the jackal said, Uncle G, you have caught wood. This is not my leg. What he saying? Uncle G, you have to caught wood. This is not my leg. Like that, he is cleverly thinking and giving the answer. And next, what happened? He showed his second leg. The jackal showed his second leg. Can you see, children? He's showing the second leg. Yes. This jackal is showing the second leg. You can see the image. See, children, the second leg. And crocodile left his leg. Because this is wood only, he is thinking. The mugger is thinking this is wood only. So what happened? He left his leg and the jackal started running. He came out of the water and he ran out of the forest. He ran out of the forest. See, children, how the jackal is using her mind very cleverly. Yes, clever. Yes, children. Any doubt in this story you can ask. You have any doubt means kindly ask, children. Kindly text the message. Kindly text in chat box. Okay, very good, children. Okay, children, shall I ask some questions? Are you all ready? Giving the answer? Yes, I'm getting lot of answers. Very good. Okay, children. Dear children, what did we learn from this story? Yes? Dear, what did we learn from this story? Kindly text the message. Nikhil, don't send unwanted messages, dear. Yes, children, what did we learn from this story? Clever. Yes, always clever. Very good. Yes. We should be clever. Very good. Yes, children. Yes, I'm getting answers. See, what did we learn from this story? We have to face our problems. Yes, children, we have to face our problems with our difficulties with cleverness. With cleverness, yes. Yes, children. Yes, I know all my children are also working cleverly. Is it right? Is it right, children? All my children also working cleverly, right? Yes, very good. Okay, shall we ask question, children? Okay, who lived in the river near the forest? Who lived in the river near the forest? Kindly text the message, Niralia. Yes, Magar. Very good. Niralia, kindly yes. Thank you, Niralia. Okay, what is the name of this story? What is the name of this story? Yes, children, what is the name of this story? Yes, Meenakshi, very good. What about the others? Kindly text the message. Dear children, you know the answer. Kindly unmute and say, otherwise text the message. Yes, very good. Chatur Gidad. Very good, children. Okay, very good. And next question. Very good, Kana. Excellent. Excellent. Superb. Kindly mute now. Mute yourself. Very good. You say the answer suddenly and correct. Suddenly you can mute your mic. Okay, dears? Okay, next question. What are the names of two animals in this forest? What are the names of two animals in this forest? Yes, one is mother and another one is yes, another one. One is magar और एक कौन है? Gidad. Very good. Magar or Gidad. Very good, children. Okay. Very good, Kana. Okay, next question. Shall I ask next question? Kindly mute your mic. Very good, children. Good children. Okay. Who came to drink water in the forest? Who came to drink water in the forest?
Gidad.
Yes, गीदड़. गीदड़ को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? What we say in English? गीदड़. No, fox. This is not a fox here.
And jackal.
Yes, jackal. ये कौन है? Jackal. Okay. Very good, children. मगर बोलने से कौन है? Crocodile. Okay, now all my kids kindly mute your mic. Next question for you. Okay, what did the jackal do by entering the forest? Yes, what did the jackal do by entering the forest? Why he is entering to the forest?
Drinking water.
Yes, to drink water, to drink water. Very good.
Water.
Very good, very good. I'm getting lot of answers. Superb. Yes, some of you unmuting and say the answer, and some of you texting the message. Both are very good children. Very good, excellent children. Okay, now next question. Who caught the leg? Who caught the leg?
The crocodile.
Yes, at crocodile. मगर ने उसकी
Crocodile.
good children. Okay, now next question. Whose leg was caught by the crocodile? किसकी टांग पकड़ी? Whose leg was caught by the crocodile?
From Gidad.
Yes, किसकी टांग पकड़ी? गीदड़ की टांग पकड़ी. Very good. Okay, children. What did the crocodile see in the forest? Who did the crocodile see in the forest? Yes, गीदड़ किसको देखा? Crocodile ने. मगर ने किसको देखा? Yes, मगर ने किसको देखा? गीदड़ को देखा. Very good. Okay, children, why did the jackal started laughing? Why did the jackal started laughing? Why he started to laughing? Yes, children, why did the jackal started laughing? Yes, to eat crocodile. Very good. Because to make crocodile a fool. Yes? Was thinking very cleverly because to make crocodile a fool. Right, children? Very good. Getting answer. Super. Now, next question. Why did the crocodile catch? Why did the crocodile catch? Yes, to eat. Very good. Kamakshi. Yes, very good. Okay. Okay, children. Who showed the second leg? Who showed the second leg?
Jackal.
Yes, jackal.
Jackal.
Very good, children. Jackal को क्या बोलेंगे? Geathered. Very good, children. I'm getting so many answers. Good children. Very good. Okay. The last question. Who ran out of the forest, children?
Jackal.
कौन जंगल से भागा? Geathered. Very good, children. Okay, now all my kids kindly mute your mic. Kindly mute your mic, all my kids. Yes, children, kindly mute your mic. I'm getting low, so a lot of answers, children. I'm very happy you all are listening the story and you all are love this story, like this story. Yes, children. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to ask 1 to 20. We will learn, right, children? एक से 20 तक. 1 to 20. Who wants to tell? Kindly text the message in your name, children. I will ask. I will call the child name. And you can tell 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Yes, kindly. If you want to say, kindly text the message. Yes, Teja. Yes, Teja, unmute yourself. Unmute your mic, dear. Kindly text the message, children, your names. Yes.
Yes,
Teja.
ma'am.
Yes, dear. Start. You can start, dear. 1 to 20. Hindi में.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20.
Yes, very good. Excellent. Excellent, Teja. Kindly mute your mic. Very good, dear. Super. Super. Very good. Kindly mute your mic. Next, Meenakshi. Meenakshi, unmute your mic. Yes, Jay Gurudev, Meenakshi, you can start there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good, dear. You can take time also, dear. You continuously saying super. Excellent, dear. Kindly mute your mic, Meenakshi. Very good. Next is Sai Krishnan. Sai Krishnan S.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Hey Gurudev, dear. You can start.
Yes, ma'am. 11 पर
No. One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 8, 9, 10, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18,
No, dear. 16, 17.
17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good. You missed 11 also. Very good, dear. Super. Good try. Very good. Kindly mute your mic.
you,
Sai
ma'am.
Krishnan. Excellent. Welcome, dear. Next, Dharini. Dharini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dharini. You can start, dear.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good. Excellent, Dharini. Kindly mute your mic. Very good, Kana. Next, Nehan. Nehan. Nehan, Jay Gurudev. Nehan, unmute your mic. Nehan, my voice is audible, dear. Nehan, little bit louder करना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can start dear.
एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13 14
15. Yes.
15
16.
16
Yes dear. Yes. Yes. Continue.
17
Yes dear. 17. 18.
18
Yes.
19
Very good, Kana. Very good. Good job. Good try. Little bit practice, Kana. Okay. Next time also I call your name. Very good, dear. Good try. Kindly mute your mic. Very good. Next, Ojashvi. 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 Jai Gurudev. Ojashvi, unmute your mic.
Hello.
Jai Gurudev, dear. Yes, Jai Gurudev. You can start. You can start, dear.
एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ 9 10
11.
11 12 13 14 15 18
Yes, 18. Next.
19
Yes, 19. The last one.
Thank you.
Yes, dear. The last one, Ojasvi.
This peace.
Very good. Very good, Kana. Excellent. Kindly mute your mic. Very good. Next, Kanitra. Kanitra, unmute your mic, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Gurudev, you can start, dear.
एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20
15, 16, 16, 17. Yes, dear. Very good, dear. Good try. Very good. Excellent. Kindly mute your mic, Kanitra. Very good, dear. Okay, next, Kamakshi. Kamakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, you can start, dear.
एक दो तीन चार चार 8 9 10 एक दो तीन चार 1 2 3 4 8 6 7
4, 5, 6, 7,
5 6
5, 6, 7.
8
Yes.
7
Now, now,
9
10. Next,
10
10. Then next one.
12 13 14 15 16
17.
17 18
Yes.
19
Yes. Please. Very good, Kana. Excellent. Kindly mute your mic, Kamakshi. Yes. Next is Satvika. Satvika. Hey, good day, dear. You can start, Kana.
एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात
Little bit louder. Yes. Louder, dear.
चार पाँच छः
Ah, yes, sir. Yes.
6 7 8 9 10
11.
11
Ah.
12
13. Yes. 14 15
15
16
16
17 18 19 20 Yes, Satvika, next time also I call your name. Kindly practice here, okay? One more time we will call you next time. Okay, children, the meeting is going to end. No problem. Next time also I will call the names. I want all my kids daily practice this all. Okay, Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, bye ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Jai Gurudev.
Ma'am. धन्यवाद ma'am. Bye ma'am.
Jai Gurudev.
Thank you ma'am. Bye ma'am.
Jai Gurudev बच्चों, धन्यवाद.